having come this far, it then realized that once you've got a movement of the continents under tensile forces being pushed around because of the offset center of mass, it's an unbalanced body. In the moment you've got that, in the moment the continents are moving, they develop momentum. And it's this momentum is what actually is taking the continents, causing plate tectonics. It's pushing the lithosphere underneath it. Subduction is not pulling it. Subduction is a case of the continental mass moving, being forced over the oceanic mass and forcing it underneath. Thus, it could be explained that the loss of a slab, which was credited with being the major force, actually does not stop the continental plates from moving. Therefore, that force actually can now be equated to zero. And the continents will now only stop when they reach a convergent boundary, such as Europe, such as India running into Eurasia, and it's still pushing up the Himalayas, and South America moving over the Nazca Plate and moving in further and further into the Pacific Basin, widening the Atlantic at the cost of shortening the Pacific. And it's these forces that Professor Shiga, these are calculations that Professor Shiga has named as the Maurer forces.
Okay. Lovely.
And he's used these forces to explain the movement of the Japan and the Filipino peninsulas in order to show that it's definitely not a subduction related event, but it has to be the continental mass has to move rather than be subducted, movement by subduction.